I'm happy you made the choice to meditate today and become more positive, relaxed, and mindful in your daily life. We'll start in a comfortable seated position with our palms facing up. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth at your own pace. Take another one just like that, in through the nose, fill up your belly, and out through your mouth, let it all out. One more just like that, inhale. And exhale, let it all out. Continue breathing through your nose, and with each exhale, relax your body. Notice which areas feel more tense, and just soften those areas with each exhale. Maybe it's your shoulders, maybe it's your eyebrows or your scalp. Soften everything in your body until you feel so relaxed, so calm and so peaceful. Now envision positive energy gathering around you. Like a magnet, you are attracting this beautiful, bright, positive energy. It is the energy of pure love, and it surrounds you. It's protecting you, and this energy bubble is growing bigger and bigger. This energy of love surrounds you, and it also moves through your body, cleansing your body of any negativity. This energy of love also goes through your body, softening any tense muscles or tense areas that you may have. Continue breathing and envisioning this beautiful energy of love surrounding you and moving through you, rinsing away and cleansing your energy. It feels warm, it feels bright, it feels pure. Here are some positive affirmations that you can repeat with me in your mind or out loud. I am relaxed. I am safe. I am worthy. I am enough. I live with gratitude and joy. I love myself. I trust myself. Take a final moment for gratitude. And then take a deep breath in through your nose. And let it all out with an open mouth exhale. blink open your eyes and see the love that's all around you, sending you love and light. Namaste.